Here's my gecko.
Call him a musical term.
No.
Well, that way you remember the day you
And
him.
here's all the stuff we have for him. And a cricket keeper and some crickets. Here's my buddy boy. He's a male, and I haven't given him a name yet. Setting up the container for the crickets. It's like a water jug. Food. And I'll put the crickets in. There's my cricket setup. Tank is pretty much set up now. Got his food mixture in there. And he has a little leaf water bowl in there. Can't really see it. And now I'm going to put him in. And I haven't decided on a name for him yet. Loki eating a cricket. Aww. There you go. Like that. Nice and calcium powdered. Go get the other one, Loki. Yeah, you like crickets. They're your favorite.